Hello guys, Game Changers back again, bringing you a premium Apple IDs video. This is an app that you will have to go to, and also I'll be cutting out all the details. You will need to go to this app to get them because I'm not sharing them. So I hope you enjoy. And I'm back guys. So yeah, I won't be sharing any of these details. You're going to want to go to the link in the description to get to the website to download this app. As soon as you've installed it, you can get all the details yourself from this app, but people have been stealing them, so I think the creator would appreciate it if you didn't, because he's paying for all this and putting it on his apps for people like us to use completely free. He ain't charging nothing to get onto this website. All you got to do is install it. Just as I did there. You want to go onto the app then. This is the one, ID Vault. Cool name for it. I helped make the logo for the actual app. That logo right there. So yeah, you want to tap on the Apple IDs tab. Wait for it to load. And once you're on here, as you can see, there's 4 different Apple IDs. One of them does have AirPlay. It's not working at the moment, but it will be fixed. And the others are just premium Apple IDs. There's one missing at the bottom, but that one's going to be fixed soon. You want to click on it, do the captcha. I'm not a robot. Click to continue. Simple stuff, guys. You've done all this with my app before, App Discovery, or mine and my team's app. Wait for the seconds to count down. 0, and then you want to press Get Link. This will take you to the website where you'll find the email and password, because he's put them on here because it makes it easier for him. It's a free website that holds them for him to give to us. As you can see, I'm covering it up like I said I was going to. You just want to copy the email and password, and then after that you want to go off here, go onto the App Store, sign out of whatever Apple ID you are signed into. Glitched a bit there. So I'm going to sign out of my Apple ID. And you want to sign back in with the Apple ID password and email you just gripped. I'm covering it up again, guys. I told you why. Hopefully you all understand, but you'll be able to get it yourself from the description, so it's not a problem. At some point there are going to be 4 Apple IDs, one with AirPlay. So once you sign in, it might pop up saying it's not from this country. Just press OK and it'll switch the App Store for you. And then you want to go into the updates. So the last bit is sped up because I don't want to show off too much of this. I've already shown this app off before. You know all the apps that are on here. Nothing purchased on there. As you can see, tons and tons of apps, and you can literally install all of them. There's a lot of free apps on here as well, but they ain't on the App Store no more, most of them. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to comment, subscribe and like, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.